Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12th chapter 16 Environmental Chemistry. First MCQs is the pH range of the acid rain is 7 to 6.5, 6.5 to 6, 6 to 5.6 and less than 5. There generally normal rain has a pH value between 5 and 5.5 which is slightly acidic. However, when rain combines with sulfur dioxide or nitrogen dioxide produced from power plants and automobiles, the rain becomes much more acidic. Typically, acid rain has a pH value of 4. Hence, from the given option, it can be less than 5. So, the exact answer is less than 5. Next, peroxyacetyl nitrate is an irritant to human beings and it affects eyes, ears, stomach and nose. There, peroxyacetyl nitrate is an irritant to human beings and it affects the eyes. PAN is an oxidizing agent. So, the exact answer is eyes. To avoid the formation of toxic compounds with chlorine, which substance is used for disinfecting water? KMNO4, O3, LMs, chloramines. There, the disinfection of water with chlorine produces toxic compounds. In order to avoid the formation of such compounds, we use ozone or chlorine dioxide. So, the exact answer is O3. Next, a single chlorine free radical can destroy how many ozone molecules? 100, 1 lakh, 10,000 or 10. There, a single chlorine free radicals can destroy 1 lakh molecules of ozone. So, the exact answer is B option. Next, fungicides are the pesticides which control the growth of fungus, kills insects, kill plants, kill herbs. There, fungicides are those pesticides which control the growth of fungus. So, the exact answer, control the growth of fungus. Next, ecosystem is a smaller unit of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere or biosphere. Ecosystem is a smaller unit of biosphere. It consists of community of organisms and their interaction with the environment. So, the exact answer is biosphere. Next, the main pollutants of leather tanneries in the wastewater is due to the salt of lead, chromium 6, copper or chromium 3. There, chromium 6 is the main pollutant of leather tanneries in wastewater and it is carcinogenic. So, the exact answer is chromium 6. Next, in purification of potable water, the coagulant used is nickel sulfate, copper sulfate, barium sulfate or alum. There, in the purification of potable water, the potash alum is used as a coagulant. So, the exact answer is alum. Next, the temperature in the non-rotating chamber in the incineration of industrial and hazardous waste process has a range. There, the temperature in the non-rotating chamber in the incineration of industrial and hazardous waste process has a range of 950 to 1300 degrees centigrade. So, the exact answer is 950 to 1300 degrees centigrade. Next, newspaper can be recycled again and again by how many times? In recycling process, the fiber of the newspaper becomes shorter. So, it can be recycled again and again up to 5 times. So, the exact answer is 5. देर आज के लिए इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।